steps on the plate for the first run of the night for the Padres. Here comes Matt. After homering just twice in his first 65 games, Matt Kemp has 2 home runs in his last 3 games. Mike Harkey on the phone.
What, man? He's throwing 99. Get somebody up. Well, Matt Kemp made a little bit of an adjustment. And what he did was he lowered his hands. And showed that earlier in the week. His hands were too high. And when he put his hands down,
All right, here we go. Finest number 10.
now he dropped them down to this position we're in. Maybe we'll find that tape and bring it back to show it to you. But you probably love it.
Well, I see all the I see it. I mean, I see what his hands were before, just knowing and seeing them for a long period of time. And he actually hit a curveball out the other night. It was down in the zone, Greg. I'm thinking that's him. Stand on the baseball.
Good luck. That was cute. Dang, it's in the one touch.
Goes ahead in the count. You already seen a home run captured live tonight. Buster Posey with a grand slam.
Way to go. Oh, man. Got a Sonny Gray. Nice on-card auto going to the A's. Shane, P-R-Y. Nice hit. Shane, I don't know if you collect the A's or Sonny Gray. If not, let me know. I'm interested. Very interested in that hit. Marichal. Generations. Got a Votto Prism Refractor. That's a real nice hit. I don't think his stuff grabs much on eBay, but one day should be worth something, you'd think. Votto Refractor. Gonna win a Cy Young one of these years. Mark my words. Bautista, Finest. Kershaw, Generations. You got a Kershaw Purple, 159 of 250. Go to the Dodgers, Francis, H-O-D. And a Gonzalez, 137 of 150. Got the blue going to the Dodgers. Francis, H-O-D. Jeremy's going to be mad he wasn't here tonight. Hamels, Generations. Carpenter, Prism Refractor. Trevor May, Finest Firsts. Blackman, Refractor. Kemp, Finest. And another nice one. Koji Uehara, 91 of 99. Got the green auto. Going to the Red Sox. Steven, QUI. Very nice hit. He was complaining last week that he's been on a cold streak lately. We did that perfect game. He got like 4 hits, and then this week he's gotten 3 or 4. Not doing too bad this week. Ripken, Generations. You got a Tulo green, 41 of 99. Go to the Rockies. Nathan, PAP. Tanaka, Finest. And a couple base. That'll do it for Finest number 10. Nice box overall. Sonny Gray auto. Uehara auto. A little bit of color finally. Excuse me. What's up, Shane? Not biting on the store credit there? What else you got? I saw you got some packs. Stephanie EDG. Sorry about that, Steph. Didn't see you sneak those in there. Got 3 Upper Deck masterpieces. Scream at me, Steph. And Bowman pack 6. Here you go, Steph. Got 6 in Bowman. 3 masterpieces. Good luck. Killebrew. Lee. Excuse me. Helton. And Johnson. I said Helton masterpieces. That's the name of the stinking card. Morneau, Ramirez, Lincecum, and Cano. Zambrano, Teixeira, Upton, Martin, and Munson. Base rookies. Got a mini McKinney. Wayne's gold. $3.99 of $3.99. Funchess orange. 100 of $2.99. Bell foil. And some base. Thanks, Steph. What pack did you get, Shane? Pack 10. There's still 4 hits hanging out there in this Bowman. There you go, Shane. Pack 10. All the autos, too. We've only pulled the relic out of here. That card's all bent up in the corner. Aguilar. Foil. Mini. Hardy. And Matt Jones. Rookie auto. Those are not numbered. Snagged a hit. Bridgewater, blue. 52 of 99. You go, Shane. And some base. Thanks, Shane. All right, Shane.
And you wonder why.
I know, that's why I'm snagging him while I can. All this stuff is cheap.
Now listen,
Always has been.
get in on them. Come on.
All right, Eric, take care.
That's why you went to first base.
Harold and Cliff here on a Friday night. You're watching MLB Tonight. I was here to see you got some up your sleeve.
Play and happened to start on Castle tonight. Before we even get there, high school, guy running by me, I kick it, state championship game. We'll go like this. Knock the ball down. Running after the ball. Guys are running all over the base. So when I go look at Castro, I'm speaking from experience. Let's go to the video. Plays happen. Things happen like this sometimes. All right. So watch this play. Castro kicks the ball, and now he's sitting there going, "Oh man, all he needed to do really throw the ball in the air and slap it to the outfield. He'd been
I think I'm going to go ahead and do a last call tonight.
2 runs scored on this play.
Make it an
Is there an excuse for this? No, but I want to show you.
early night.
What's the second baseman, okay? Here's Addison Russell. Now, is he saying, hey, guys going home? No, he ain't looking either. All right? That's the second baseman. I just want to show you.
No, I just don't think he's
Here's Rizzo, the first baseman.
not the strikeout artist that some of these big names are, and I don't know. He's just a solid pitcher. Keeps the ball down, keeps the ball in the park, pitches in a good pitcher's park. I think his ERA is like 1.8 this year. And he's only 23 or 24 years old. Until he wins that Cy Young and people recognize his name, I think it's just low. Nobody knows who he is, which is surprising because he's an ace.
Who started yelling, "See, he's going home, he's going home."
That's terrific, man. That is so well done because people at home are going, Starlin Castro does it again.
Exactly. That to me is
I know he's got some stuff out there from 2011 when he was a prospect, but
also the other guys.
I don't think he's signed more than anybody else. You know what I mean? I just don't think his name is recognized like some of the other guys.
We all have a responsibility on this, but they all put the head down. Oh, well, man, how many years is that for Starlin now?
Right.
You know what I mean?
Right. And he's the only one that's going to wear that flag.
He'll get that Cy Young and his stuff will go up, though.
Here, who stands back?
He's going to get it one of these years.
Oh, that's it.
That's all I'm saying. So, great. I mean, great. Breakdown.
Another one of them pitchers from Vandy.
Back here with
Yeah, very similar to Keuchel.
He's got the ball. You got the ball. Made an error. It happens.
Only Keuchel does it in a little bit more of a hitter's park, but yeah. Yeah, very similar to him. He's got a nasty, Gray's got a nasty curveball. Wicked curveball.
You wanted to be on the Mariners offense. Why did you want to be on
Okay, so here's what happens. I'm going to keep you in Seattle. You see McCullers walking up there. Robbie's in the dugout. But once you kick that ball like this, all right, now you come up, and all you got to do is look. Because you know there's runners there. So you can do this, mad at yourself, whatever, but you just look in front of you. Nobody's going.
Yeah. I have one more question.
That's all.
Do you think Joe Madden noticed what you noticed on that break?
No, I don't think anybody did. Well, he may have. I don't know. I can't say he did or didn't, but I don't think people do. Because I think what happens a lot of times, the magnifying glass comes right here on the shortstop, and that's where everybody focuses. You know, so I was always taught to look off ball. Always pay attention. Like Buck Showalter always talks about there's something everybody has to do on every play, regardless, whether you kick it or not.
McCullers, his night is through. 4-1 is the score. The Seattle Mariners have a nice night. This is the first start in Lance McCullers Jr.'s young career that he has given up more than 3 runs in a start as the Mariners have put a 4 spot on. And we are still the 5th inning of this ball game. Stros, the first place team, and the Mariners. Again, we're in Studio 42. We moved from shortstop to home plate. The reason we moved here is going on. What? I'm doing well. You said it. Get loose. In the previous segment, we saw Matt Kemp strike out for the 3rd time tonight against Ruby De La Rosa. And you were talking about the fact that he's hit a couple home runs in his last 3 games. There have been some adjustments for Matt Kemp.
Yeah.
To be working.
Well, before we go to tape, I just want to show you. Matt Kemp usually has his hands up here, right? He dropped them down here. And what I saw was when they were here, he's having a tough time going back. I'm going to take you to the tape, and then I'm going So this was last week, working here in the studio, and I was watching this game. First inning, he made an adjustment in game, Cliff. All right, here's where his hands are, up high first at bat, and he's missing an 88-mile-an-hour fastball. He couldn't turn around on it. 10th inning, drops his hands down, and here's a 99-mile-an-hour fastball, I believe, or 98 or something like that. Can't fully remember, but he dropped his hands so he could catch up to something. He fouls off a 99-mile-an-hour fastball, and in this same at bat, he's going to get a breaking pitch, and now be able to, with his hands in that slot, take him up and shoot him back the other way and get a base hit. So a little closer look for you. The hands will be on the right, on the left right there, first inning. On the left, on the right, I should say at home, is second inning. See where his hands drop down to?
Yeah.
They drop down to get down to a slot. You get what you call a little bit of a hitch. Here, he puts them
Thanks, Shane. You too.
back, and he gets a little waggle. Now they go up.
Yeah, I'm going to get out of here too, guys. Appreciate you coming out. Check out eBay. We've got some auctions ending Sunday night on Rooks cards. Be sure to grab a team or two. Keep an eye out for some fresh product this weekend. Try to get some new stuff up there. Hopefully get some pricing redone for you as well. So keep an eye out for that. Have a good weekend. We will be back on Monday night. All your shipments will be going out Monday morning as well. So, again, have a good weekend. We'll see you all on Monday.
So here, now you're quicker to the fastball, and you can move a little bit. And what you like to see more is, hey, give me a off-speed pitch. So now your hands are here, and you can stay through the baseball a little bit more. But what I liked about him when they was up here, he drove the ball to the opposite field. Now he has to work on finding that area where he can actually be able to drive that ball to right field and still get the extension. I wonder sometimes about his hips and his shoulders and all things he had lingering, but to make that adjustment on the fly, now you want him to be able to get through baseballs a little bit more. His hands up here, he wouldn't get to the fastball, but they down there, and I'm going to try to go right back up the box. That's what Matt Kemp has to get back to, just feeling comfortable in the box and making sure they give himself a chance to stay on every pitch, because the fastball we saw, have a tough time with it.